Hi there. If you're watching this on YouTube, or you're wanting to watch any of my content on my channel, or both for that matter, I would strongly recommend hitting the subscribe button and comment and like on any videos if you may wish, because this is a general audience channel. Also, this video is not made for kids, it is for older fans and adults alike. So please sit back and enjoy the video.
Hello YouTubers and welcome to another Disney Pixar Cars diecast review. Today we're going to take a look at Cruz Besouro, the Brazilian Volkswagen Beetle crew chief from Cars 2. Before we get right into the review and the retrospective, let's start with the unboxing first. Oops. I apologize for the poster being not positioned upright. Here we've got his artwork for Cars 2 in the Porto Corsa Italy background, World Grand Prix logo saying WGP, the Cars logo, his diecast sealed in, his name Cruz Besouro, the Mattel logo. And on the back side we have the Cars logo and the all-in-all logo and a globe logo, a logo of a globe in green background, and a screenshot from Cars 2 and a note saying the World Grand Prix will determine who is the fastest car in the world. 3 races in 3 countries and only one champion, which of course is the World Grand Prix itself. And after the 3rd race in London, there was no champion, and due to the lemon battle. And the cars shown on the back are WGP Lightning McQueen, aka Lightning McQueen with racing wheels, Max Schnell, Raul Serral, Jeff Gorvet, Cruz Besouro himself, and his pupil Carlaveloso. Check off all 6 of those. Collect all 15 in the World Grand Prix series. See the complete collection and more at www.mattel.com/cars 2014 Mattel Disney/Pixar. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the retrospective and review right after this had been unboxed. Here we have Cruz Besouro all opened up and out of the package. Cruz Besouro is a 1960 Volkswagen Beetle who hails from Brazil and serves as the crew chief for carlaveloso, and he shares his Cruz with Cruz Ramirez from Cars 3, and his surname Besouro means beetle in Portuguese. And he shares this same model with Herbie, Jader, Xanadu bumpers, Kenny, and a generic background red Volkswagen Beetle. During his appearance in Cars 2, Cruz Besouro served as the crew chief for Carlaveloso in the World Grand Prix in Tokyo, Japan, Porto Corsa, Italy, and London, England. Like most crew chiefs of the World Grand Prix, he never received any speaking lines in the film, neither English nor Brazilian. During his diecast releases, Cruz Besouro was released 4 times. His first release was a 2-pack with carlaveloso, and 3 times in a single. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. Here we've got his Brazilian light green paint, his headset, his circular headlights, and his trunk on the front and front bumper, his happy facial expression, and the Volkswagen Beetle on top of the trunk, which is copyrighted. And on both sides we've got these chrome silver gray hubcaps and the Blackwell tires, and we've got the number 8, which is carlaveloso's number, with the Brazilian tampos. And on the back side we've got the hood and the red taillights and the back bumper and the exhaust pipes, license plate saying Fishbowl FSHBWL. And on the undercarriage it says Disney/Pixar, made in China, Volkswagen HG, which is copyrighted, and Mattel. And now let's pull up some of the other Beetles. We have Herbie, Jader, Xanadu bumpers, Kenny, the generic red Volkswagen Beetle, and Queen Bee, the Cars version of the Volkswagen new Beetle from Herbie Fully Loaded. And the other Volkswagen models, we have Fillmore, who is a 1960 Type 2 bus, and Gia, who is a Carmen Gia, and now let's pull up Cruz Besouro's pupil, carlaveloso. So what do you guys think? Which Volkswagen Beetle is your favorite? For me, in my personal opinion, mine's most of all Herbie. I'm going to say Herbie. And which carlaveloso team member is your favorite? In my personal opinion, it's carlaveloso. And which Volkswagen character in the Cars franchise is your favorite? In my personal opinion, it's Fillmore. Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for another review, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye now!